यस, आज दूसरी बार ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में आप सभी का स्वागत है एंड टुडे वी विल फाइंड द zeros of quadratic polynomial of exercise 2.2 question 1 and verify the relation between coefficient and its zeros. So listen friends, this is x square minus 2x minus 8. It is quadratic polynomial and we have to find its zeros. So same as previous class, we find the factors of x square minus 2x minus 8 with splitting the middle term. So we will compare x square minus 2x minus 8 with standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Here we are saying a is 1, b is minus 2 and c is minus 8. We can say our AC is 1 multiplied by minus 8, that is minus 8. Now we find the factors of 8. 8 can be divided in two parts. 2 4 ja 8 and 4 1 ja 4. And our B is minus 2. So here we split minus 2 with the prime factors of minus 8. Prime factor of minus 8 are, we have 2 and 4. Whether we take first integer as negative 4 and other integer as positive 2, we will find B as minus 2 and AC as minus 4 multiplied by 2 is minus 8. It means we will find the factor of x square minus 2x minus 8 as follows. X square minus 2x minus 8. This is x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. This is minus 2 split with taking as first integer minus 4 and other integer as positive 2. We will got the middle term as minus 2. Now here we have x common factor, x common, then left term is x here and here left term is minus 4, and in these two terms we have 2x common factor, positive 2 common, the left factor here we have x and here we have minus 4. Now look here, x minus 4 again common, and the left factor here is x and in this group is positive 2. To find the zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8, we will say for 0 of the given quadratic polynomial, we will have x minus 4 equal to 0, then x equal to 4, or x plus 2 equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 2. X equal to 4 and x equal to minus 2 are required zeros of quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x and minus 8. Yes, now we can say we calculate the zero of this quadratic polynomial alpha as 4 and beta as minus 2. Now we will have to verify the relation between coefficient and its zeros. So zeros are alpha is 4 and beta is minus 2. First, directly by using this quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8, we can say directly sum of zeros as equal to minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x. Here we have minus coefficient of x square is 1 and coefficient of x is minus 2. So we will say this is minus 2. Then sum of zeros we indicate with alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 upon minus 2. Minus minus cancel and we will say alpha plus beta equal to 1 upon 2. And product of zeros we will direct say constant term upon coefficient of x square. So here we have constant term minus 8 and coefficient of x square is 1 and product of zeros we are represent as c upon a or c upon a is equal to minus 8. Now at the initial stage we find the alpha as 4 and beta as minus 2. By these zeros we can calculate here alpha plus beta equal to positive 4 negative 2 that is equal to minus 2 and alpha into beta equal to 4 multiplied by minus 2, then alpha into beta is minus 8. Here we have product of zeros minus 8, here we have product of 0 minus 8 and sum of 0 as 1 upon 2, sum of yes, our zeros we got alpha as positive 4 and beta as negative 2. Now we have to verify the relation between coefficient and its zeros. ऐसा करने के लिए हमारे पास में डायरेक्ट इस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल से सम ऑफ जीरो वी कैन राइट एज माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर minus here we have coefficient of x as minus 2 then minus bracket minus 2 upon coefficient of x square is 1 minus multiplied by minus plus 2 upon 1. We represent sum of zeros by alpha plus beta, or alpha plus beta equal to 2 upon 1, and product of zeros we will say constant term upon coefficient of x square. Our constant term is minus 8 and coefficient of x square is 1 upon 1. Then alpha into beta we got as minus 8. Now with the help of alpha and beta, here we can calculate sum of 0 as alpha plus beta equal to positive 4, negative 2. We got this is positive 2, and alpha into beta equal to positive 4 multiplied by negative 2. This is minus 8. Our sum of 0 we have 2, sum of 0 we have positive 2, and product of 0 we have minus 8, and for product of 0 as minus 8. Yes. Now in question number 2, exercise 2.2, question 2, we have find the quadratic polynomial when sum of zeros and product of zeros given. Here we have 1 upon 4 as sum of 0 and minus 1 is product of zeros. So we can say here our alpha plus beta equal to 1 upon 4. We are representing, or we can say calculating alpha plus beta. We are saying this is minus b upon a as 1 upon 4, and alpha into beta we have minus 1, and alpha into beta product of zeros we represent as c upon a. This is minus 1. Look here, this is product of 0 minus b upon a as 1 upon 4, and c upon a is minus 1. We can make this as a rational number. We can represent in the form of p upon q. C upon a is p upon q. Minus 1 also we can represent as p upon q. Minus 1 upon 1. At the comparison of a here we have 4, a here we have 1. To convert this a as 4, we can multiply here by p upon q by 4 upon 4, or c upon a we got 4 multiplied minus 1 is minus 4 upon 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. We are making same denominator. Here a is 4, here a is 4. We will say a is 4 minus b equal to 1. This is minus b equal to 1. We will say b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 4. C equal to minus 4. Now we write the standard form of quadratic polynomial as our standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Now we replace these values. A as 4, we replace here a4. B we replace here minus 1 and c. Now in the standard form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, we will replace these above values of a, b, c. So our a is 4, we will say 4x square. Our b is minus 1, this is minus 1x, and c is minus 4, this is plus or minus 4. Now this is 4x square minus x minus 4. This is our required polynomial. Now second part we have sum of 0. We have alpha plus beta equal to under root 2. We are representing alpha plus beta as minus b upon a. Minus b upon a equal to under root 2. And product of zeros, alpha into beta equal to 1 upon 3. Alpha into beta is c upon a equal to 1 upon 3. Minus b upon a equal to root 2. We can make this as p upon q form. Under root 2 upon 1. Here we have a equal to 1. Here we have a equal to 3. Now equalize a in both cases. So we can equalize a as 3 here by multiplying numerator and denominator by 3. Or minus b upon a equal to 3 multiplied by root 2 is 3 root 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Here we have a equal to 3. Here we have a equal to 3. A is 3. Minus b equal to, we have 3 root 2. Then we can say our b is minus 3 root 2 and c is 1. C equal to. Now we write the standard form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Replace a, b, c from above. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is our required quadratic polynomial. Right? Yes friends, thanks. If you liked my video, subscribe it, like it and share it. I will wait for your reply.